In computer graphics, graphics software or image editing software is a program or collection of programs that enable a person to manipulate visual images on a computer. Computer graphics can be classified into two distinct categories, raster graphics and vector graphics. Many graphics programs focus exclusively on either vector or raster graphics, but there are a few that combine them in interesting ways. It is simple to convert from vector graphics to raster graphics, but going the other way is harder. Some software attempts to do this. In addition to static graphics, there are animation and video editing software. Most graphics programs have the ability to import and export one or more graphics file formats. It also can export files to one or more files. Computer graphics also can be used by other editing software such as Adobe Photoshop, PowerZap, Microsoft Publisher, Picasa and etc. Other software that can be used is animation software, video editor software such as Windows Movie Maker, etc. The use of a swatch is a palette of active colors that are selected and rearranged by the preference of the user. A swatch may be used in a program or be part of the universal palette on an operating system. It is used to change the color of a text or image and in video editing. Vector graphics animation can be described as a series of mathematical transformations that are applied in sequence to one or more shapes in a scene. Raster graphics animation works in a similar fashion to film-based animation, where a series of still images produces the illusion of continuous movement. History: Super Paint was one of the earliest graphics software applications. Fave Matisse was a pioneering program of the early 1990s, notably introducing layers and customer software. Currently Adobe Photoshop is one of the most used and best-known graphics programs in the Americas, having displaced more custom hardware solutions in the early 1990s, but was initially subject to various litigation. CorelDRAW holds a stronger user base in Europe than Adobe. GIMP is a popular open-source alternative to Adobe Photoshop. See also. References